Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. I heard that you got placed in Corro.
Yes, sir.
How's your experience? And many congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Proud. It's a very proud moment that whenever our student gets a placement, we feel that we've been able to do justice. We have also
Yes.
been able to close the loop.
Very happy, sir, for joining in Corro Health. It was nice company. And actually, this Clinilaunch Research Institution was recommended by friend. And she said to me, I'm interested in medical coding. I asked to her which institutions are very good for medical coding. I completed my graduation in this year only. Last month only I got my certification. And that yeah, I searched it on online. There is, in Bangalore, this institution was very good. I am planning to join in this institute. If I join means definitely I will recommend you like that. She said, sir, okay. I asked her and asked her the number and I talked to the institution and asked her all the plannings, what are the plannings and how you will teach the planning and how much time it will take and how are the job searching and like that ask to them and I feel it very good and have many opportunities. So that's why I joined in this company and June first batch I joined in company. In last month I got selected in Corro Health. And in Clinilaunch Research Institution, there are many good opportunities to interact the some other people and the institution and teachers also very good and placement members also very good at self motivating. She was her 1 hour class only, but I'm very motivated by listening her words. She for non-technically she will take very good classes. Are also very good to explain the anything when I get any doubts. Also, he will patiently wait for me and he will explain every doubt. And there is another class that if a placement section I got a ma'am in that section also they will give me very guidance based on how to crack the interview, what are the basic questions like that they give me. I get a lot of knowledge from this institution. Thank you very much for giving this much guidance to crack this job. For getting this job, this institution is the main for me to support me from the when I am ground level to the up to now.
Thank you, Rishita, for your feedback, and we hope you have a very successful and a long career.
So,
We will await your inputs now that you are an alumni.
yes,
I hope that you will spread a positive word about the education and the guidance that you have received at Clinilaunch.
yes, sir.
Really appreciate and thank you so much. Thanks for your time and have a
Yeah,
great career ahead.
yeah, thank you.